So here's how to withdraw referral bonus on Bitunix. If you haven't signed up for Bitunix yet, you can click on my link down in the description or use my referral code ZBQK for 5,500 USDT worth of newbie benefits. First of all, what you need to do is head over to Assets on the top right and then go to Spot Account. So from this section, if you go over to the left panel, you will get to see a section that says Withdraw. Click on it. So once you're in the next page, you will get to see several options that you can choose from. You can withdraw on-chain or internal transfer. So let's go with on-chain. After that, you need to select your coin. In this case, I'm selecting USDT. After that, select your network. Make sure to use the correct network to avoid losing all your funds. Then, make sure to add your withdrawal address. And lastly, you need to put in your withdrawal amount right here. Once you're done with all the steps, make sure to review the details again and confirm that everything is accurate. After that, all you need to do is click on Withdraw right here. After that, your funds should be withdrawn in minutes. So that is how to withdraw referral bonus on Bitunix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.